Hello everyone, this is Shoaib Khan and I am recording this video to present you my recent project which is a game engine. So this project has been developed as a part of a course called Real-Time Software Development taught by Professor Edward Keenan. And let me get into the engine and start introducing how it's done. So basically, this is made up of multiple libraries. As you can see here on the project side, it has libraries like a file management system and a math library, which has all the uh, math operations and matrix multiplications and rotations and everything relating to the matrices. And we also have a PCS tree library and a time library. And other than that, we have the entire graphics system in the engine. So this is very basic and primitive stage in a very basic stage right now. So let me show you what are the main features we have. So right now we have refactored the engine so that we can have multiple cameras. Actually, the camera one is I'm working on it to include it to include multiple ones, but we do have multiple. We have the ability to manage multiple textures, lightings, and a lot of systems. Like we have a system to manage all the shaders and all the game objects. So coming to game objects, these objects store all kind of data relating to the entities. So it mainly has the coordinates to the position and the world position, and then a graphics object. A graphics object has a mesh and a world matrix and also a shader. And shaders, these are the shaders, and these are some shaders that were provided by Professor. And other than that, we also have mesh in our graphics object. So these meshes are basically 3D models, and we have made multiple meshes as a demonstration, such as cube, pyramid, diamond, cross, and null meshes as well. So let me run it and show you how it looks. So these are some combinations of meshes and different textures and shaders. As you can see, we have multiple color wireframe and constant color wireframe textures and some lighting as well in some of the objects, such as these in these pyramids. And other than that, we also have a camera system which can pan around the objects, and it can have a real-time movement and can pan among different objects. Like here, I can shift my focus as well. And if I have multiple cameras, I can look through them at the same time, changing the camera. Other than that, I can also have multiple matrix multiplications to represent a single combination of rotation or transformations. So let me demonstrate that as well. I can demonstrate that by making real-time rotations. Let me show you how I would be able to do that. As you can see here, and performing translation, scale, and rotation at the same time and feeding it into the world matrix. Let's run it. So it seems like there's a technical issue with the rotation, but I'm working on it. So yeah, as you know, there can be some bugs with the development process, and this is still we are still a long ahead of making a major uh, usable product. Other than that, that's all I have to say for this demonstration. Thank you very much for watching the video. So you can see here the rotation taking place.